I was expecting an information session on exactly what public works entails, and that's pretty much what it's provided. So.
The highlight for me for this session was Jacqueline Hanson. She spoke about community engagement and basing your work off of the community needs. Jacqueline's speech really resonated with me because there's nothing more that I would like in my career, particularly as I enter the workforce as a new graduate, to service the community and produce the best possible product that I can.
I reckon it was the site visit now. They went to check the airport and see the runway that's just been built. And it's cool, even though they said it took like 10 years, and out of 10 years, 8 years with just consolidation of the soil. So that's what a lot of what I do, geotechnical engineering.
Particularly, I was excited about the smart cities. I love data, and to see it being used in such an intelligent way and being supported by council, that Sunshine Coast Council, I'm in awe of their innovation and forward thinking. And there's an amazing example of it as City Council that's actually using it and uptaking it. So Michael's presentation was so interesting because it's our future. I was surprised at what I got out of it. There's so much.
How important it is to conduct yourself professionally and be really clear and concise with how you're speaking to people.
I found the critical thinking presentation very good because it helped reinforce that us as engineers, we need to stay curious and always ask why and try and understand why things are the way they are, why do assessments and results come out the way they do. We need to ensure that we are analysing things effectively, and if there is a better way of doing things, to challenge the norm and to be innovative.
I love the human factor, so David was speaking with that. It's all about relationships and the networking that Craig was speaking about. So yeah, look, there was so much. There's heaps in it.
For me, the biggest one is networking, getting to meet other people that are in the same position as you, that you wouldn't normally meet in your workplace area. That, and also just the great information.
The vast array of speakers, because they bring a wealth of knowledge and their experiences and resources that we as young people can refer to. So, because often I find myself struggling to know where to look next, so it's really great to hear from very experienced, worldly people.
I think it develops your career. It's like a constant learning. You gotta keep up.
Work on my networking skills and create new networks that I can refer to in future.
Yeah, just a good opportunity to meet people that will be involved in our careers for the rest of our lives, really.
I would highly recommend attending this event. It has been a great opportunity as a student entering the field to get an introduction to the formalities of the public works sector, and it would be so beneficial for students who are just about to graduate into the technical field, or even those commencing their career.
I would recommend this to anyone, but specifically people that are coming into this sector, so the public works area, and I find this very beneficial because I've learnt about all the different aspects that need to be considered for public works.
Definitely am likely to recommend this event, certainly to a lot of my colleagues or final year engineering students. So I'm in my last semester at the moment, and although the session is sort of marketed towards people coming into the public works industry, I think that people that have been working in public works for a long time would actually benefit from it as well. There's been a lot of information that I'm sure people may have learnt, but 20, 30 years ago that would be a good refresher, or there's been a lot of new information that I'm sure people would find valuable as well.